members, welcome to the construction site down by the swimming pool as we continue building the new building for everyone this coming year. Today is Friday, June the 21st, and we're going to show you a little bit of the progress that has been made up to this point. We're pouring concrete today, and this will be a weekly or every other week, we'll kind of see how it goes, video series, but we wanted to do this to keep you updated on the project and where we stand. So I'd like to introduce Mike. Mike is the superintendent with Gates Construction on site here, and he's going to tell us a little bit more in detail about what went on this week. So take it away, Mike.
Okay, this week we were able to get the waterproofing around the elevator pit. This is your elevator shaft right here behind us. We got that done. We're ready to backfill. We got stone sub-base fill in for the footings around the north side and on the east side. We got the forms up, the re-steel in, and we're pouring about 80, 90 yards of concrete today. That'll be the foundation for that area of the building. We're going to be forming coming up this side behind me next week, and we'll get poured up to the elevator, and then we'll have 3/4 of this ready. Phil, we've got the key thing for the cafe bar area. We got the beer lines and the soda lines in, so that's an important factor.
Always important to have the beer and soda lines in early.
So these are things that had to get done there early that will help us pick up speed. We won't have to go back and do things like that. So from here on out, we're out of the water now. We should be able to pick up the speed and get this thing moving.
So really good, pouring a lot of concrete today, and on a nice sunny day with no rain. It's a wonderful 113 degrees here in Naples today with the heat index. So thanks for joining us for a minute, and we'll look forward to more updates for you in the future. Thanks.